into a forward fold. So we're gonna bend the knees and we're gonna hug the elbows, like that. Crossing the elbows, knees bend, and we're just hanging here. Nothing special, just allowing the gravity to pull the head a little bit. Maybe you want to shake it, releasing the neck from tension, shaking the head for yes and for no. If you like, you can bicycle the legs, one leg straight, one leg bent. No rules, really, just feeling the own body, just scanning the whole body. How do my hamstrings feel? You have a little bit of stretch already on the back side of your legs and the glutes and the calves, ankle. Just being aware about each part of your body. How does it feel? How do my feet feel? Are they grounded on the mat? All of the toes and the arches of the feet and the heels. Just observing. And how is my lower back today? My belly and my chest, shoulders, how do they feel? Are they today a bit more relaxed or they're a little bit stressed still at the end of the week? And your arms, are they heavy? And you can also sway your elbows from left to right. And eventually just find your neutral forward fold, just maintaining the posture steady. Keep on scanning your body. Is your face relaxed? And your eyes? How deep is your breath? Is your breath with the belly or with the chest? Being aware about the sounds around you. And being aware, did something change already in your body just by hanging here in this passive forward fold? Did your body become already more open? Or it's more resisting? Is the posture becoming more comfortable or is it becoming already more painful? Both is good, there is no wrong or right. Slowly come out of here. So on your next inhalation, you can slowly release your arms and bend the knees a bit more. And vertebra very slowly rolling the spine. And come to standing. Mountain pose. With your next inhalation, bring the hands together in front of the heart and raise them over the head and pull back. Push your hips forward. And as you exhale, bring the hands in front of the heart, coming into standing and fold forward from your hips. We begin to connect the movement with the breath. Inhale, lengthen your spine, lift the head. Exhale, fold completely. Inhale, bring your hands in front of the heart, bend the knees a little bit and begin to push your hips forward again, arms over the head and back. Exhaling, mountain pose, hands in front of the heart, straight away we fold forward. This is half of salutations. Inhale, lengthen the spine, head up, straight spine, straight legs. Exhale, fold. Inhaling, hands in front of the heart like a wave. Your body is moving into this half moon shape. And exhaling, straight away, fall forward. Nice. Halfway up, inhale. Exhaling, fold. Inhaling, come into standing. The same thing repeating. And exhaling, folding. Halfway up, inhale. Exhaling, fold. Inhaling, come into standing, back bend. And exhaling, fold. Halfway up, inhale. Exhaling, fold. Last time, as a wave, come into standing, inhale. And exhaling, attention, hands in front of the heart, and we remain here into mountain pose. Find your nice straight line when the pelvis is tucked and your pelvis is in line with the knees and the ankles, so not in front of them, not behind. Your feet are active. Your heart center is lifted and the shoulders are relaxed. With your next inhalation, bend the knees and find your chair pose. And as you exhale, hands in front of the heart and come into standing. Inhale in chair pose, coming a little bit more deeper. And exhaling, hands in front of the heart. Feeling already a little bit of activation in the thighs. Inhaling, sitting on a low chair. And exhaling, coming to standing. Inhaling, sitting on a low chair. And exhaling, coming to standing. Last time, chair pose, inhale, sit down. Attention, as you exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, you bend the knees, bring your hands on the mat. Your index finger parallel, pinky is pointing out. And we will step the feet back to downward facing dog. Walk your dog if you like, one leg straight, one leg bent. Feeling your heels moving down to the ground, one by one. Feeling a good stretch for the Achilles ligament. Still connecting the movement with the breath. Inhaling and exhaling. So every time you can exhale as you push your heel down. And slowly come to neutral downward facing dog. Look between your hands. Now attention. Inhale. Exhale, knees on the mat. Chest on the mat. And then chin on the mat. Maybe you need to adjust the position. Your hands will come on both sides of the chest. And like a big cobra, we will slide the upper body forward, belly on the mat, toes untucked, elbows closed. Inhale. And exhaling, down facing dog. We're gonna repeat this. Look forward between your hands. Inhale. Exhale, bring your knees forward and down. Your chest is landing between the hands. And then your chin is on the mat. Inhaling, cobra. Exhaling, down facing dog. You're gonna look forward between your hands. Lift the heels, inhale, exhale, knees on the mat, chin, and then the last is the chest. Inhaling, cobra. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Last one, heels will come up, your knees will come forward and down, and then chest between the hands, chin on the mat. This posture is called the Ashtanga Namaskar from Ash to 8. And Namaskar is salute. So we have 8 parts of the body on the ground, if you count them. Inhaling, cobra. Exhaling, downward facing dog. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Bend your knees, look forward, lift the heels. Step or jump your feet between or behind the line with your palms. Halfway up, inhale, head up. Straight spine, straight legs. Exhale, fold. Attention. Chair pose, bend the knees, arms reaching in front of you. Inhale. Exhale, hands in front of the heart. Attention. You know that. Inhaling, pushing your hips forward, arms reaching over the head, heart moon shape. And exhaling, folding forward and down. Halfway up, inhale. Now attention, as we exhale, only right leg's gonna step back and down, finding nice and easy, comfy low lunge. Right leg is back, left knee stuck over left ankle, fingers on both sides of the left foot. Hold it here. Core center will be pulled and lifted. Your shoulders back and down. And fingers on the both sides. The gaze will be forward or up. Deep breath. Inhale, exhale, and then only right hand on the mat. So left foot, right hand. Your left arm is free and you're gonna circle it in front of you. Inhale, open, exhale, reach behind you. Inhaling, open, exhale, reach behind you. Inhaling, circle in the head. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. And now as you reach back, you can also bend the right knee and optional grab your foot. Nice. And your gaze is to the left and up to the ceiling, twisting. Inhale, exhale, release. both hands on the mat if you can bring the palm. And double facing dog, your left foot's gonna step back. Now your right leg, right one goes back and up, inhale. Exhale, step it forward between your hands. And you come into low lunge on the other side. Uncurl the back toes, fingertips on the mat. Find your 90 degrees. And then here we want to have the neck free. And we hold it. Close your eyes if you like. Slowly open your eyes if they're closed. Left fingers will be on the mat. Left hand, right foot, right arm reaches forward and up. Inhale. And exhale, reach behind. Inhale, forward and up. And exhale. How slow you can breathe. Inhale. And exhale. Even slower. Inhale. And exhale. Feel your shoulder. The rotation is from the right shoulder. Nice circle. Inhale. And now attention. As you exhale and you reach back, you can grab the back foot. If you cannot reach it, you can just look for it like that. If you reach it, pull it close to your hips. Nice twist. You're looking behind the right shoulder up to the ceiling, so you also twist with your neck. Inhale and exhale, release the pain. Bring your hands on the mat. Attention, your back foot. It's gonna step forward. Lengthen the spine halfway up. Inhale. Exhale. Attention, we hold our forward fold. We started with our forward fold with the elbows like that. We're gonna hold forward fold and you can choose either these or you hold your legs. Choose your favorite posture and we hold it here. Notice if there is any difference in your body already. Hold and breathe.